Good morning, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And today I am here with this third video of chapter number 1, Chemical Reaction and Equation of Standard 10th. In previous video of this chapter, we have seen chemical reaction, chemical equations. We have talked about the chemical reaction surrounding us, and also we have talking about the chemical equations. Chemical equations ko how we symbolically represent the chemical equations, and also we seen reactants, product, and the norms which by which we express the chemical equations. Now today our topic is balance the chemical equation. Balancing the chemical equation. Balancing the chemical equation. So first of all, the quick question is arise कि what means balancing, यानी balance chemical equation क्या होती है? Balance का मतलब क्या होता है? We have listened about the balanced diet, but what about the balancing the chemical equations? So the why balancing is required? So balancing chemical equation means in the right hand side or in the left hand side. Left hand side where the reactants are given, or in the right hand side where the product is given. दोनों में number of elements कैसे होने चाहिए? Number of atom same होने चाहिए. Is that clear? So today we are going to see how balance the chemical equations. Also we are going to see hit and trial method. In 5 steps we are going to balance the chemical equation. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि आज हम chemical reaction को balance करने वाले हैं, chemical equation को balance करने वाले हैं, और heat and trial method भी सीखने वाले हैं. In 5 steps, उसके total 5 steps हैं कि जिससे हम chemical equation को balance करेंगे. तो let's start the how to balance the chemical reaction. So I am going to write a chemical reaction. See, मैं chemical reaction लिखता हूँ, and that is Fe plus H2O. The chemical reaction of Fe and H2O will give what? Fe3O4 plus H2. Here I am writing Fe plus H2O will gives Fe3O4 plus H2. तो सबसे पहले the step number 1. Step number 1 what? Step 1, that is check the elements on the both side. Step 1, check the elements. So which elements? On left hand side means reactants, or on right hand side means product. So the most important part, this is reactants and this is product. The reactants are the substance which take parts in the chemical reaction, and product, by reactants we will get the product. Okay, now see the elements. Which elements are given? On right hand side the element Fe, iron, hydrogen and oxygen is given, right? So number of atom, Fe that is 1, hydrogen that is 2, and oxygen that is 1. Is that clear, my dear friends? Now on right hand side Fe 3, oxygen that is 4, and hydrogen that is 2. So I hope you just understand कि in step what we are going to do. यहाँ पर first step में we just look at कि number of elements, number of atom जो दिए हैं वो balanced है. अगर balance नहीं है तो we are going to balance. अब हम उसको balance करेंगे. तो first of all iron, hydrogen and oxygen we are going to see. Is that clear? Now in step 2, first of all we just balance the oxygen. हम oxygen को balance क्यों करेंगे? Because number of atom of oxygen is more. So step number 2, balancing oxygen. Step 2, that is balancing oxygen. Is that clear? So number 2, the step number 2 is balancing oxygen. So atom of oxygen, see, atom of oxygen इनिशियली कितने दिए हैं, और टू बैलेंस हमको क्या करना है, बैलेंस कहां पर, LHS and RHS. Is that clear my dear friends? In reactants, LHS means reactants or RHS means product. Is that clear? So initially what is given for oxygen, oxygen के लिए here oxygen initially 1 दिया है and here it is given 4. Is that clear? So first of all we just look at number of oxygen on right hand side, left hand side that is 1 और right hand side that is, तो दोनों को बैलेंस करने के लिए we just multiply with 4. तो 1 multiply 4 it will be 4. So our chemical equation, हमारी जो chemical equation है, one most important thing के coefficient and subscripts. Coefficient means जो एलिमेंट के आगे यानी सिंबल के आगे लिखा है that is coefficient and these are the subscripts. Okay, so here what we are going to write, अपना जो केमिकल रिएक्शन क्या हो जाएगा, C Fe sorry Fe plus we multiply with 4 H2O will gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Is that clear? So this is our second step कि जहां पर हमने ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस कर लिया. ओके, 4 ऑक्सीजन यहां पर एंड 4 ऑक्सीजन हियर. अब जब हमने ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस किया तो हाइड्रोजन जो है वो इम्बैलेंस हो गया. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 3, in step 3 we are going to balance hydrogen, balancing hydrogen. What we are going to do, balancing hydrogen. So atom of hydrogen in LHS means reactants or RHS means product. Initial hydrogen और 2 बैलेंस. नाउ अब हम इसको इनिशियली हम इसको देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर इनिशियली जो स्टेप 3 में हाइड्रोजन को जब हम बैलेंस करने जा रहे हैं, इन स्टेप 3 जहां पर हम हाइड्रोजन को बैलेंस करने जा रहे हैं, तो अब हम इसमें देखेंगे कि हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर कितने थे, 4 2 8, 4 2 8 hydrogens are given, 4 2 8 or here 2 hydrogen is only given. So we just multiply with 4 in RHS, 2 multiply 4 will be 8. तो दोनों तरफ जो हाइड्रोजन है वो सेम हो जाएंगे. It means our next chemical equation is, see, next chemical equation is Fe plus 4H2O will gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. So this 4 we multiply over here. Okay, so this is the step 3. In first step we just see the elements, in second step we balancing oxygen, or in third step we balancing hydrogen. Now step number 4, the last, iron. Step 4, balancing iron, right? So balancing hydrogen, so first of all atom of iron in LHS means reactants or RHS means product. तो initial और to balance. See, इनिशियल एंड टू बैलेंस, तो इनिशियल आयरन LHS में इट इज गिवन 1 और here it is given 3, तो we just multiply 1 with 3, तो दोनों तरफ बैलेंस हो गया. Now our exact chemical equation after balancing iron, our chemical reaction is 3Fe plus 4H2O will gives, again I am repeating, we multiply with 3 iron on the left hand side in reactants. 3Fe plus 4H2O will gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Is that clear, my dear friends? But step number 5 is remaining. See, step number 5 is remaining for what? In step 1 we just check the all elements are given in the reaction. अब हम step 5 में फिर से इसी को चेक करेंगे. हम स्टेप नंबर 5 में अगेन इसी को चेक करेंगे. तो आवर स्टेप नंबर 5, सी I just write over here our step 5. Step 2 I just erase it. Step 5, check the elements. Iron लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 3 है, hold on. Here it is given 3. In RHS also it is 3. Hydrogen that is 4 2s are 8. There also 4 2s are 8. Oxygen 4 and 4. See, both side oxygen 4, hydrogen 8, iron 3. Is that clear? So this how we balance the chemical equation. So this is the method, heat and trial method, to balance the chemical equations. I hope all you understand this method कि कैसे हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप 1 by 1 हम जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, जो एटम्स हैं, उनको बैलेंस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड में करते जाते हैं. सो दिस इज द मेथड कॉल्ड हीट एंड ट्रायल मेथड. सो आई होप यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस मेथड एंड वी आल्सो डू सम अदर केमिकल इक्वेशंस फॉर बैलेंसिंग. ओके, थैंक यू. Now my dear students, it is equation number 2, Fe2O3 plus Al will gives Fe plus Al2O3. तो in this equation यहाँ पर भी हमको बैलेंस करना है. तो first of all with that 5 steps of heat and trial method, हम यहाँ पर अब इसको थोड़ा quickly करने का ट्राई करेंगे. तो first check the elements. See, I am using color marker over here. So elements left hand side means again I clear it, reactants are given, or right hand side products are given. तो reactants में कौन कौन से elements दिए हैं? Fe, iron, oxygen and aluminium. Clear? Same to same, iron, aluminium and oxygen. See, the number of atoms Fe in LHS 2, here it is given 1, oxygen 3 over here भी 3, and aluminium यहाँ पर 1 है और यहाँ पर Al2 means 2 is given. So now we are going to do balance this chemical equation. See, Fe2 दोनों तरफ, इधर 2 है, यहाँ पर 1 है, तो we multiply with 2, so it will be 2. तो on RHS we just write 2, तो twice Fe. Now 3 oxygens are given, so यहाँ पर हम इसको कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे. Now next, Al here given 1 and here it is 2, so we should multiply with 2. So this is your balanced chemical equation. अब हम इसको अच्छे से लिख लें. Fe2O3 plus twice Al will gives twice Fe plus Al2O3. So this is your balanced chemical equation. चलिए अब हम इसको चेक करें. 2Fe 2Fe O3 O3 twice Al Al2. So this is balanced. Okay, now next is given what? NaOH plus H2SO4 will gives Na2SO4 plus H2O. So what the elements? First of all, elements on left hand side means reactants, right hand side means product. Elements Na, right, O, H and S. So I am giving this to balance you in homework. Okay, आपको homework में इसको बैलेंस करना है और उसको ड्रॉप बॉक्स में, मैसेज ड्रॉप बॉक्स में बैलेंस करने के बाद ड्रॉप आउट करना है. ठीक है. सो आई होप यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दिस बैलेंसिंग केमिकल इक्वेशंस के उसको किस तरह से हम बैलेंस कर रहे हैं. नाउ द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस, उसके अलग अलग टाइप्स हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.